Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Oracle VBCS knowledge sharing sessions. This is Umashankar. In this session, we are going to learn how to create a dependent list based on the single select list of values. In order to do this demonstration, we have to import data for two business objects. One is country, another one is the city. So I have given the URL in the description. You can use and download it. Okay. So let me click on the business object. Now we are going to import the business object for the country and city. Click on the data manager. You can use import business object option. Let me import the file. You can upload. Next, next, finish. Now you can see that these two business objects are imported. Country. If you click on the country, if you go to the data, you can see the country ID and the country name. Country ID is the unique identifier. If you click on the city, here you can see the country sequence and city ID and city reference values. Okay, let's create one web application. You can give the name as demo application. Click on create. Let me remove the backend code. Take a heading. Then give the name as country and city details. Okay, I'm going to make it as a small. Okay, so now I'm going to select single component. Okay, this is for country, one more for city. Okay, so go to the design. Now I'm going to change the label hint. This is for country and this for city. So now I'm going to load the business object for the country component. Right. So go to the quick start, add options, select the country business object, click on next. Here you are going to take country name and ID. Click on next. Click on finish. Okay. Similarly, select the city. Click on add options. You are going to select the city. Click on next. Select the city name and the ID. Okay. Finish. Go to the live. Refresh it once again. Now you can see the list of values in the country field as well as the city. Right. So now both are independent. We need to create a relation between these two components. Based on the country name, we have to display the city details. Alright. So whenever you loaded the business object in this component, what is going to happen? It will create a service data provider. Right. So basically, service data provider enables you to connect with UI components, the two data coming from the REST services. Right. So service data provider that bounds the components like list view table and automatically fetches the data to these components whenever data is getting refreshed. Okay, so basically we can use this service data provider for the pagination, sorting and filtering. Okay, kind of option you can use this service data provider. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, whenever user select the country value, we need to create a page variable and assign to the that variable. Click on add variable. I'm going to give a ID name as country ID. Type is number. Okay. So whenever user select the country value, we need to assign this value to this new variable which we created just now. Alright. So again you have to go to this designer, select the country, If you click on the data here, you can see the value, right? We are going to assign that to newly created page variable. Okay, country ID. Okay, save. Okay, by using this page variable, we have to create a filter criteria from the service data provider which we created for the city SDP, right? So how we are going to do that? Click on the country again. You have to click on the events. Now we are going to create a event listener on value item. Okay, select the assign variable. Okay, here you are going to select the variable from your city. Okay, city list SDP. Here you can see the default filter criteria. Okay, click on here. Now we have to add a value. That means we have to add a condition. Okay, your country from the city list SDP contains the variable which we created now. Okay, that is country ID, right? This is the one. So when it matches, automatically it fetches the required city details. Okay, we are done with this. Okay, so let's go to here. Page designer, refresh it. First we are going to test here. Okay, go to the line. Okay, select the Belgium. So you can see the list of cities, right? And if you select the Cyprus, you can see the different cities which are available under Cyprus, right? So let me test this page. You select the country, Greece. Here you can see the list of cities available under Greece. Okay, Italy. Okay, list of cities available under Italy country. Okay, this is the simple approach how we are going to create a dependent values. Okay, by using service data provider. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and share, and you can provide your valuable feedback. Thank you.